I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make blocks. First, gather your materials: cement, sand, aggregate, and water. The quality of these components directly impacts your final product. Next, ensure your block-making machine is ready. We'll cover the proper ratios for a durable mix and the initial steps to prepare it for molding. Getting these foundations right is crucial for strong, consistent blocks. Now let's focus on the mixing. Aim for a water-to-cement ratio that creates a workable yet firm consistency. Overwetting weakens the blocks. Once mixed, carefully load the material into your block-making machine. Ensure an even distribution. The machine will then compact the mix, forming the blocks. Consistent compaction is key for uniform density and strength across all your blocks. After molding, curing is vital. Keep the blocks moist for at least 7 days to allow the cement to fully hydrate and gain strength. This can be done by covering them with plastic or regular watering. Store them on a flat, stable surface to prevent warping. Finally, inspect your finished blocks for any cracks or inconsistencies, ensuring they meet your quality standards. Maintaining your block-making machine is essential for longevity and consistent performance. Regularly clean all components, especially after each use, to prevent material buildup. Lubricate moving parts as recommended by the manufacturer. Always prioritize safety by wearing appropriate personal protective equipment and following operational guidelines. And hey, life's too short for a stinky car, so check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals to keep your ride fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.